Okay, the next part of this unit covers identities, trigonometric identities, and I tried to put them all here on one page. You've got your Pythagorean identities, your even and odd identities, your reciprocal identities, and your quotient identities. And I would probably keep these handy somewhere to look back at them. And when you get to activity number 4, it says, is the following an identity? Okay. I have to figure out which one of these identities to use, but you're trying to figure out. Okay. I always take the word identity literally, like, I don't want to lose my identity. I want to remain the same. So they're saying, is all this trig stuff equal to the number 1? Do they have the same identity? So you have to simplify all this trig stuff to see if you can get it to be simplified to the number 1. And so when I look at these things, I've got cosecant, cosine, and tangent. And if I come back up here, what do I know? I know that cosecant, okay, cosecant of theta right here is the same thing as 1 over sine. And I know that the tangent of theta is right here. The tangent of theta is sine over cosine. And I'm not going to touch the cosine because you want to convert all of your trig functions into sines and cosines. I don't know why, but you just do. And if you can get them to cancel out, it'll work. It should work, or it might not work. But so what I'm going to do is, in place of the cosecant of theta right here, I'm going to put 1 over the sine of theta. And of course it does, there's like a multiplication dot right here, so times the cosine of theta, or if it makes you feel better, put cosine of theta over 1, times, and then the tangent of theta, which is in the green, is sine of theta over cosine of theta. So basically I replace this tangent with sine over cosine, and I replace this cosecant with 1 over sine, and I didn't mess with the cosine. And then I'm literally multiplying 3 fractions together, so any numerator can cancel any denominator. So this sine of theta cancels that one, and this cosine of theta cancels that one. These like become ones, anything into itself is 1. And so what I'm left with is 1 times 1 times 1 in my numerators, and 1 times 1 times 1 in my denominator, and 1 over 1 equals 1, and this one is that one. So yeah, baby, it's an identity. It has the same identity on both sides. Cosecant theta, cosine theta, tangent theta will actually equal the number 1, no matter what theta is. So, where is this question? Sorry. Yeah, it's an identity. There you go.